Hi guys, in this video we will clean the interior as well or even better than a professional car washer and spend a minimum of effort and money. Then first of all we take chemistry and dilute it with water. This is necessary so that the dirt and stain is cleaned as much as possible, and at the same time after dry cleaning it does not harm the passenger of the car. In a word, chemistry should be completely harmless to humans. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not to miss new video on the channel. Friends, since my car interior is black, it looks clean. As on a light car interior, dirt and stain would look more distinct. Even after dry cleaning, the interior of my car reveals little difference, but insignificant by eye. But on the bright interior, the opposite is true. You can clearly see that the car has refreshed up. Then we wipe the remnants of chemistry with a clean rag. Friends, the seat back is ready. Now we turn to the passenger sofa and we repeat the same things, whipping the solution of chemistry, dust, spot, and so on. Friends, again, my interior is black, and how it gets cleaned, it became clear to me clearly, but you may not be on the camera. And now friends, we wipe the remnants of chemistry with a clean rag. Friends, the dirtiest, shabby, smeared place is the foot of the passenger. Therefore, we scrub this place more carefully, persistently. Sweep away the dust with a vacuum cleaner. Then we wipe the dirt with foam, and in the end, we use our cleaner. Friends, here there are no special order for the strict implementation of the dry cleaning of the salon. Do everything for yourself at your personal discretion, and the quality of the work performed will depend only on your desire, emphasis, and attitude to work. To protect the skin, synthetic wax is used. It's needed for the treatment of the salon, which safeties the skin, protected from drying out and cracking. Unlike products with natural wax, it does not lose its properties for a long time and protects the car interior from bacteria and mold. Polishing carnauba wax for natural laser. It perfectly closes pores and masks scratches. This remedy is distinguished by its hypoallergenic properties. Moreover, it's not toxic. Protect laser surface and gives them a refined shine, as well as various creams used to clean and protect the laser interior of car, extending its service life and improve its appearance. Friends, try cleaning task. Remove any contamination, oil, dirt, dust, etc. Safety for laser surface. Moisturization the skin and nutrition with useful substance. The ability to restore structure and color. Creation of protective film. Polishing laser surface. Bactericidal action. The ability to eliminate unpleasant odors. Efficient coat is the removal of any contamination, oil, mud, dust, and so on, and at the same time don't harm the surface. Moisturize and nourish the skin for its long-term use and beautiful appearance. If necessary, restore the damaged structure or the lost former color. Create a special oleophobic film that protects the skin from the harmful effects of moisture. Provide protective polish during processing. To destroy harmful pathogenic microorganisms harmful both to humans, in particular to their respiratory systems and to the surface of laser elements. Neutralize unpleasant odors. Instead, it's advisable to spray your own pleasant scent. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not to miss new video on the channel.